In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand or extend parts of an image in Affinity. By the end, you'll know a fast, reliable way to add canvas around your subject and convincingly fill those new edges so the image looks like it was always that size. Start by making sure your main photo layer is active. In the Layers panel, this is the pixel layer, and activating it ensures the next tools affect the actual image. With that set, switch to the Crop tool. We'll use it not just to trim, but to add space. Click and drag a corner handle outward in the direction you want to extend. You'll see a checkerboard appear beyond your original edges. That represents empty, transparent pixels. Adjust the frame until you're happy with the new composition, leaving a bit of breathing room where needed. Apply the crop to commit the expanded canvas. Now, grab the Flood Select tool. This tool is great for quickly targeting areas of similar content, and in this case, our target is the new transparency. Click directly on the transparent checkerboard so it becomes the active selection. If it doesn't capture all of the empty space in one go, nudge the tolerance in the context toolbar and click again until the entire transparent area is selected cleanly. Reconfirm your pixel layer is selected so we fill the right place. With the selection active, look to your selection controls and locate Grow Shrink. Choose Grow Shrink, then enter a value of 1 and apply it. That tiny 1 pixel grow tucks the selection slightly under your existing image edges, which helps avoid thin halos or seams when we fill. It's a small move that makes a big difference in quality. Make sure the pixel layer is still targeted, then choose the In-Painting Brush tool. With the transparent area selected, paint across the empty regions. Affinity will analyze the surrounding pixels and synthesize believable content to extend your scene. Work methodically along the edges, using medium strokes that follow the natural lines, textures, and perspective of your photo. If the fill looks odd in a spot, undo and try a couple of shorter passes, sampling from nearby areas by painting outward from the image into the empty space. Take a moment to zoom in and scan the transitions where the original image meets the new fill. You're looking for consistent texture, aligned patterns, and uninterrupted edges. If a section needs a touch-up, pass the In-Painting Brush over just that area again for a cleaner blend. And that's it. You've expanded the canvas, targeted the transparent areas, refined the selection for clean edges, and in-painted a seamless extension that fits the photo naturally.